In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a 4-level drill-down dashboard with set actions in just 5 minutes using Tableau. Whether you're a data analyst or just diving into data visualization, this process will enhance your project with interactive and detailed insights. So, let's get started. First, open the Tableau app on your computer. This is where we'll be doing all the magic today. Once you're in, we need to lay the groundwork by dragging the category onto the rows shelf. This acts as our initial level of drill down. It's a great way to organize data into its primary categories, making your insights easy to understand at a glance. Next, let's visualize some metrics by dragging sales to the columns shelf. This step will visually represent sales figures against each category, providing a clear overview of how each category is performing in terms of sales. Once your data is set on the canvas, it's crucial to adjust the view. Go ahead and set the view to entire view. This ensures that all of your data is visible within the dashboard without needing to scroll, making it much easier to work with and analyze. Now, we need to set up a parameter for our interactive dashboard. Click the drop-down arrow at the top right and select Create Parameter. You'll want to name this parameter, keeping it relevant to the data helps, and set the data type to string. This allows us to use text values in our filters, such as category names. Under Allowable Values, select List. This option helps us define specific values that our parameter can take, rather than leaving it open-ended. Click Add from Field and choose Category. This automatically populates the list with existing categories, streamlining the setup process. After the categories are added, manually insert None to your list and click OK. Adding None provides a default or neutral option when no categories need filtering. Once the parameter is in place, return to the drop-down menu and create a new calculated field. Name it appropriately and input your query, which ties back to your parameter. Don't forget to click OK when you're finished. Now, drag this calculated field to the rows shelf. It integrates our parameter into the view, allowing for clear comparisons based on our interactive selections. Next, find your parameter in the data pane, right-click it, and select Show Parameter. By doing this, the parameter control is added to your dashboard, enabling real-time interaction. To create the drill down, navigate to the Worksheet tab and select Actions. This is where the dashboard's interactivity comes to life. Click Add Action, then choose Change Parameter. Name your action wisely, and in the Source Sheet drop-down, select your current working sheet to ensure the action is linked. For Run Action On, choose Select. This setting means the action will fire whenever you click on a value in the dashboard. Proceed by setting the target parameter and source field, ensuring they correspond to the fields you've been working with. Finally, under Set Value To, type None and click OK. And there you have it. Your interactive 4-level drill-down dashboard is now ready to use, empowering you and your team with dynamic and detailed insights at every click.